So what we found when we started developing the EXoverland range of product is that there was definitely a need to customize the switch panels in a vehicle or the electric panels in a vehicle. So what we did was we came up with a concept where we've got these electrical panels that screw onto and attach to any of our MOLLE panels. So it's a box, cutouts in it, and that cutouts allow you to put different modules into it. So whether they're the round cutouts or rectangular cutout for switches and or USB modules, etc., as well as round cutouts that you can either put switches into it or USB ports or cigarette lighter ports or hella plugs. In this particular application, what we've done is we've put a USB charging port as well as a cigarette outlet where we can plug something else into it. And when we put it into the 76, we've attached it to the MOLLE, so it fit onto our existing MOLLE panel range, and everything's interchangeable. And what I do here is I just run a USB cable straight from here into the little pump that we use to inflate the iCamper mattress. I've got a charger there that's also USB that I use to charge some of my torch batteries. I've also got this little blower, and it's just literally leaving it plugged in the back of the vehicle. So really simple system. What's cool about these electrical modules is they can be used within the EXoverland ecosystem, or they can be used independently. So if you have a look at the panel itself, it's pretty simple, where you've got the different cutouts, and you can put the different modules into it. For example, a switch, one of the switches, or even a USB module into it. So it's literally a blank canvas in terms of you populating it with whatever you want. You then have the cover that goes onto it. The cover sits like that, and you have this configuration of riv nuts on the top. So one of the patterns will actually line up with the MOLLE panel itself, so you can attach it from the top of the MOLLE panel, from the side of the MOLLE panel, in any direction you like. You could use it in a generic sense as well. And what we've developed there is just a plate that would sandwich between a surface. So you would tie that plate in, and it would sandwich that to the MOLLE wherever you want it. So you're not restricted to the MOLLE pattern itself. The other thing is that you can obviously use it as a standalone panel and attach it to absolutely anything.